We are going to work on causal body. Fifth layer. See, causal body is the layer you experience in the deep sleep. When you are in deep sleep, you experience causal body. Please understand. You know waking state. In a dream state, all of you know, 10 minutes before. And deep sleep state, almost. What is the difference between this deep sleep and the enlightenment? What's the difference? Huh?
No thoughts.
See, both without thoughts. Only the I consciousness is the difference. If you add that awareness, I exist to the sleep, what will happen? It will become enlightenment. It will become enlightenment. Tonight, that's what we are going to do. We are trying to add that awareness into deep sleep. No thought, but the I awareness. Please understand, there is every possibility tomorrow morning we will have 330 enlightened people here. Why are you laughing? I think you don't have confidence. Anyhow, even if you see, I want, and it should lead to enlightenment. That is something. Apart from that, it can give you at least a glimpse of the thoughtless awareness. It can take away so much of your engrams. So much of your samskaras can be burned. See, samskaras are not, as you think, numbers. It is the quality actually. If you add more consciousness to your being, it's not that number, one by one samskaras will reduce. For example, if you have 1,000 samskara, if you add awareness to your being, all 1,000 will lose its power over you. Don't think first 500 will disappear, then 500 will disappear, then slowly. No. The moment you add awareness, it's like the moment you add one light, the whole darkness in this room will start reducing. If you add 2-3 lights, the whole thing will become lit, alive. Same way, adding awareness to your deep sleep will reduce the power of engrams. See, sleep is the worst engram, or most powerful engram in you. You can escape from any emotion, but you cannot escape from sleep more than 20 hours. 20 hours is the maximum gap you can provide between one sleep and the next session. So, now you are doing something straight to fight your engrams till this layer, till 4th layer. All these 4 layers, you are indirectly only fighting with your enemy. Now what you are going to do? Straight away. Now almost all of you are waiting to fall asleep. Am I right? What waiting? Already so much. Try your best. Let us see the depth of will and the tapas you have. Try your best. One plus point, I am also going to be with you. I am going to be here. Understand? Don't grumble, grudge. Oh, I thought this Swami will. Maximum, you will feel like sleeping only first 42 minutes. If you can manage that 42 minutes, after that you won't have a problem. You will be able to settle into that deep silence. See, what you experience in the deep sleep, tell me, what do you experience? Deep darkness and the deep silence. Am I right? Just meditate on that, that's all. Just meditate on the same experience which you experience during deep sleep. The intense darkness, as if darkness covered by darkness. And deep silence. Meditate on these two qualities. Understand? the darkness which stays in your mother's womb. You came out of that darkness. It's called Karana Sharira. Your mother's womb, the energy which resides is called Karana Sharira, Karana Shakti. Means the reason for your body. Causal energy. You came out of it. Every night you go back to that same causal energy. Rejuvenate yourself and come back. That is why your sleep will almost look like a child. How you are your mother's womb, you are in your mother's womb. The same position only you will coil and fall asleep. All the bed, cushion, pillow, everything is trying to imitate, trying to bring the same comfort of mother's womb. That is what we are trying to provide. So that we will fall into the same state and rejuvenate ourselves, come back. Please understand. Now you are going to fall into the same state. The healing, creative energy which is there in your mother's womb. We call it Karana Shakti, black, darkness energy. You will go back to the same energy and come back. Only one thing. You will consciously go into that and come back. Please understand. Healing, creative, darkness energy which is there inside your mother's womb. That is what we call Kali. Kali is nothing but darkness energy. The energy which is dark but which creates. Please understand. Always we have a wrong opinion about darkness. We always think darkness means negative. Graveyard silence. Graveyard's darkness. No. Now we are going to meditate on creative darkness. The darkness out of which you are born. You are born. The darkness energy in which every night you rest and come back. Every night you fall into the darkness energy. That is why when you next day morning you are fresh, alive, ready to live your life. So start meditating on the darkness. Very simple. Only thing, only one important instruction. Your neck, head and backbone should be in a straight line. All the three should be straight line. No question of no. No lying down and no chair, no backside balancing, supporting. Alright, first let me finish the instruction, then you can start. Please understand. See, one thing. Please listen. Let me tell you exactly the importance of this meditation. I promise. Any kind of insomnia or sleep related issues if you have will be healed completely. I give you the assurance. One more thing. When I say all these words, I mean. Please understand. I do have a sensitivity and I do feel responsible for the words which I am uttering and I do feel responsible for what I am making you to do. I am not here to torture you even though you feel it. I am not here. Be very clear. For you this is only once in a lifetime. Again I am telling you, this is life for me. If I am allowed, not only you, I will also go and sleep. I will also go and sleep. But you don't know how much can happen inside you. I know how much can happen inside you. Just these few hours, standing against the samskara, standing against your habit. See, habit is the worst thing. If you remove H, a bit will be there. If you remove A, bit will be there. If you remove B, it will be there. Only if you remove I, it will die. Only if you remove I, it will die. Now, stand against the, I can say, strongest habit you carry. What is the strongest habit you carry? Sleeping. Just stand against. 2 cycle. You see, 1 cycle is 21 minutes. 2 cycles if you can manage, that's all. 42 minutes. After that you will not feel like sleeping. It's not that I am telling you after 42 minutes go and lie down. You are expected to sit as long as possible, at least till tomorrow morning 6 o'clock. But I will be here. You will see till the last person, I will be here. I have done at least, I think, in last 3-4 years. I don't know whether 200 or 300 NSPs. I don't know, at least 200 it must be. But I tell you, this process is the process which gave opening into the higher consciousness to maximum number of people. Because this is the powerful tapas. Very powerful tapas. So maximum number of people had opening to the higher consciousness, are healing in their body through this process. Through this process only. One more thing. It's little mystical, but please understand, it is literally sleeping inside the master's energy field. It's literally sleeping inside master's womb. When you stayed inside your mother's womb, you had first birth. Stay inside master's garbha, you will have second birth. Understand? You will have second birth. Every possibility to catch the glimpse. So now you have a chance, you have time, don't bother. One night if you don't sleep, it's not that you will die. Anybody says, I will die if I don't sleep in one night? If you will die without sleeping one night, better die earlier. What is the use of you living? If you can't stand even one night, I tell you one night, don't miss. It's literally standing. See, causal body is the layer where all the engrams go and settle down in seed form. If you can burn this layer, all the engrams will lose its power over you. The anya means will. The will become so strong. Please understand, your willpower will not become strong if you avoid sleeping. If you meditate against sleeping, then your willpower will become strong. Not just avoiding sleeping. Not sleeping is not going to strengthen your will. Centering yourself on meditation is only going to strengthen your will. You may have, sleep is only one distraction. There will be other distractions also. Taking yourself away from all the distractions and fighting the worst enemy. Who is the worst enemy? Sleep is the worst enemy. The engram which you can never handle. Now, you can stand. No, even talking, emotion, anything can be handled. But sleeping is the thing which became almost like a second nature. Second nature of you. 2 instructions. 1, head, neck and backbone should be in a straight line. 2nd, visualize you are sitting inside a dark cave filled with intense darkness. That's all. You are inhaling darkness, exhaling darkness, filled with darkness. All I want you to do is just 42 minutes. After 42 minutes, suddenly you will see where the sleep has disappeared, where the tiredness has disappeared, you will not know. If you can manage 42 minutes, you are done. After that, try to sit as long as you can. If you can't, you can go back and lie down, maybe after 2-3 hours. Really, if you are old or sick, please raise your hand. Really, you are sick or old. Alright, you can go after 42 minutes. That 2-3 people, that whoever raised the hand, you can go after the 42 minutes. I think in 42 minutes, surely you won't die. You won't have any problem. After 42 minutes, you can go. Others, please sit as long as you can. Understand? I am not forcing you, or I will not force you to do anything. I am only trying to encourage, trying to break the engram of sleeping. See, first few moments only. The moment you decide to sit, the strong will, suddenly you will see so much of joy. And moreover, even if you want to sit in your house, first thing, I am not going to be there physically. Second thing, when everybody is sleeping, how do you think you will be able to sit? Now you have company. So please understand, see all our brahmacharis, they do this 12 hours continuously for 12 days. Not even sitting in the room, sitting inside fire. If you have seen, you can see. It brings so much of understanding, clarity and energy, integrity to you. You don't know how much of awareness will be added to you. Because so much of awareness will be added to your decisions. I have seen. Please understand, I am not giving some false promise. Or I am not telling some stories. Otherwise, how do you think so many lakhs of people got initiated? The whole thing has happened in 5 years. How do you think it's happened? I have initiated in my 5 years of life 2 million means 20 lakh people. I am little strong, little what to say that? Little hard working or making you hard work, making you work hard. But I deliver what I promise. Your unconscious layer will become so thin. Practically, you will become aware whole day whatever goes on inside. And so much of your mental energy will be integrated. I am not interested in compromising the depth or intensity. Only with tapas, only with the strong tapas, the transformation becomes eternal, permanent in you. Again and again, you see, your mind will start wandering. It will start entering even into dreaming. But bring it back. Bring it back to that same darkness and the silence. Again and again, bring yourself back to the darkness. One more big problem. When you meditate on light, you will have the darkness. When you meditate on darkness, what will happen? You will see there will be one corner, one light. That's the mind. Don't bother. We will do it. But I can tell you one thing. If you somehow sit tonight, tomorrow you will only bless me. You will only say, oh God, this Swami has done a big help for me. I know how much many samskaras which you carry will just lose its power over you. See, darkness is the place where all negative things can grow, unconscious. If you don't use at all 2-3 rooms in your room, in your house, what will happen to that room? Cobweb, everything will come into that. Sometimes even scorpions, snakes. Same way, the causal layer, you never entered into that layer with awareness. So all the snake, cobweb, scorpion, everything is sitting there. Now, put torch, tonight put torch in that layer. Half of them will disappear, other half will run away. So, even though it is a little strong technique, don't miss, sit. If you can really sit whole night, I'll be very happy. Not only I will, even you will be happy. Tomorrow you will really feel, not just tomorrow, you will see in your life, all your engrams have lost power over you. Even though logically you don't understand, how can fighting with sleep heal my so many other engrams? You don't know. It's practically, I am destroying the very land in which the engrams are growing. If I just destroy the very land, what will happen? It cannot grow. Same way, I am destroying the very root of engrams. This is the ultimate technique you can do, ultimate method you can do. Please don't miss.